हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू टाइनी मोटर्स गिल्ड। सो आज हम लोग इस चैनल का फर्स्ट कलेक्शन टूर करने वाले हैं एंड टुडे आई एम एट अ फेलो कलेक्टर्स प्लेस। सो चलिए देखते हैं। है पार्थ मेरे साथ।
Hello Shubham bhai.
हेलो।
Yeah.
सो टेल अस योर स्टोरी पार्थ, सिंस व्हेन हैव यू बीन कलेक्टिंग?
I've started I think around 8 months only. It hasn't been that long, but I've been always into cars. So the first time my dad got me Hot Wheels, so like yeah, let's get into this. And उसके बाद से then we started and now I'm at I think 300 odd cars, 300 400 odd cars.
Wow, 300-400 cars in 8 months.
Yeah, it's quite a lot actually. And
Yeah.
not just Hot Wheels. So initially I was just attracted by Hot Wheels, but then when I explored to measure it,
Right.
and then I was like, okay, there's a world beyond Hot Wheels. Not everything is Hot Wheels. So then you spoiled me for Mini GT, right? And then I got into the world of Mini GT, right? Then I was like, okay, let's not buy Hot Wheels main lines. Now I'm buying Mini GT main lines as if they are Hot Wheels main lines. So it's a lot of expense, but yeah, overall it's been quite a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've got a lot basically. You've
Yeah,
got
exactly.
Hot Wheels, you've got Major
Majorette, I've got Tomica as well, and thanks to you, I've got a Matchbox as well. My first and only Matchbox in my
Yes.
collection, and yeah, a couple of only one Tomica. Yeah,
Okay,
Tomica,
okay.
yeah.
So, chaliye, what all highlights do you want to show from your collection?
Okay,
Let's get
so
started
let's
on
get
those.
Started from here. We get started.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so this is the Aston Martin in Gulf flavor, which I've customized a bit. Like from here, you can see the black spoiler and some door handles, and I've added.
Yeah.
Right, and secondly, this is I think the JK's Pagani Zonda R.
Yeah.
I've added the headlights, the tail lights as well. Not a lot, but yeah, manageable. So there's that. Then this is the Mopar 5-pack Dodge Viper. I've added the headlights and I've added the tail as well.
So guys, as you can see,
Quite a
Parth
lot of custom.
customize भी करता है. If you want any help in customizing or suggestions, you can reach out to him in the comments.
Yeah, Shubham, yeah. Okay,
Okay.
and this is the only Matchbox which my friend Shubham gave me. Yeah, thank you so much. And
So
this is
this-
the moving parts one.
This is a moving part. See, actually last
Toyota,
year.
right? I forgot which one.
Yeah, this is a Toyota FJ Cruiser.
Oh yeah, this is a Toyota FJ
Yeah.
Cruiser.
So this actually I gifted to Parth.
Yes. If you want more gifts, go to Shubham's please. Huh? Okay, this is the Humvee.
Humvee, yeah. Not a lot of people have this one.
Apparently,
Yeah.
yes. This is actually not released in India, I think.
Okay.
And this one is also not released in India, if I'm not wrong.
This one
Gulf
actually in
White
livery, no, white
yeah,
वाली last
one
year
was
आई थी.
released. The Gulf livery, the case did not come in India.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
So these are from the same case actually.
Okay,
Yeah, so
okay.
that's why I
So the Humvee and the
Aston Martin.
Yeah.
Mantis.
Aston ये साल येलो वाली
Yeah,
मोटर शो
yellow
में भी है
it is
ना?
in Motor Show.
Motor show,
Motor
हाँ.
show में है.
Okay,
But
okay.
in Gulf livery barely anyone has it.
Right,
तो,
yeah.
मेरे पास
So
थोड़ी unique है.
pretty rare and exclusive that way. Okay.
Then this is the Lamborghini Miura SV400. This is the silver line basically.
So ये semi premium हो गई आपकी.
Semi-premium हो गया.
ये
And,
भी
this
इंडिया
is
में नहीं
imported,
थी.
yeah, this is
हाँ, this
imported
also
as well.
not. So this is from the vintage series,
Vintage
right?
series. This is from the vintage series.
Okay.
Then this is the Indian version of Lolux.
Lolux.
Yeah, this was released in India. And since this was alone, I got this as well. But this was not released in India.
Yeah. So you got a recolor, which
Recolor,
is
yes.
fairly rare among Indian collectors.
Yes.
Okay.
Then moving on from Hot Wheels, let's come to Mini GT. Let's come
Oh
to
wow,
Mini
you've
GT.
got some beautiful cars here.
This was a recommendation from again Mr. TMG.
So
Okay,
yeah, I have this one in yellow, and Parth actually
Got this. Yeah,
got this seeing mine. तो काफी ही बढ़िया आप देख सकते हो, इस पे डिटेलिंग की हुई है. The tires and all are printed.
Yeah, there's quite a decent amount of livery on them. Michelin livery is there.
Michelin
actually.
livery, yeah,
The
yeah.
Pirelli one. You have the Pirelli one.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong.
No, even mine are Michelin
Michelin
only.
only, okay.
Yeah, but mine's yellow in color. So एक मिनट इसको थोड़ा अच्छे से दिखाते हैं.
No worries.
And yeah, you can see guys, this is a beautiful car. Absolutely amazing. इस पे Cadillac wing वगैरह पे भी लिखा हुआ है. Absolutely phenomenal. Okay.
Okay, so
Next
then
Mini GT.
again seeing your collection. Again, I imported this one
Yes.
along with you, the Nissan Silvia. I don't
Yeah.
livery. So
Actually
this
also
is a wide, with the wide body kit actually.
Yeah,
that
this
is
is
the
the-
best thing possible.
yeah, LB Silhouette Works वाली है ये. Very
Very,
pretty
very
car
pretty,
guys.
very pretty. Then
and-
this is the last Mini GT which I have. This is the Pandem Nissan Z actually.
yeah.
And this is I think it has the Rocket Bunny livery as well. along with
Yeah.
that.
So this one is also pretty rare among Indian collectors. I don't think किसी और के पास मैंने ये वाली कार देखी है. So again, this has some fantastic detailing. Mini GT of course. अब जब आप इतना पैसा खर्च कर ही रहे हो तो डिटेलिंग तो बनती है.
Actually, if you look into the headlights, right, like
Yeah.
the DRLs and everything are quite visible. So I
Yeah.
think that attention to detail has been phenomenal.
Yeah.
And the rims as well, the golden rims are.
Yeah, golden rims are very amazing. They're very pretty.
Yes,
Okay,
then
so that's your Mini
that's
GT.
Mini GT collection. Let's move on to Majorette now.
Okay, so
Majorette is
you're-
quite a lot actually.
Yeah, Majorette is a lot.
This is the first. I love.
Isuzu. This is the Isuzu.
Isuzu D-Max.
Yeah.
With a suspension.
Oh wow.
Right, and
So-
tails and heads, everything
Yeah.
like all side livery. Like it is there. The detailing is there.
सो मेजोरेट आप लोग में से शायद ज़्यादा लोग कलेक्ट नहीं करते होंगे बट अराउंड 350 आई थिंक इसकी प्राइस थी
350 price.
हाँ सो फॉर दैट प्राइस यू कैन सी दैट यू गेट मूविंग सॉर्ट ऑफ ऐसे सस्पेंशन मिल जाता है इन सर्टन कार्स आपको मूविंग पार्ट्स भी मिल जाते हैं नेक्स्ट आई कैन सी दिस वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वन दिस इज द
Porsche
गोल्डन Porsche
917. Yes, that is
917 दिस इज अ वेरी लिमिटेड एडिशन इसका भी ये बॉनेट खुलता है
खुलता
रियर का सो आई हैव दिस इन अदर कलर्स मतलब मेरे पास एक पिंक पिग लिवरी वाली
Pink
है
livery है,
आई हैव इट इन green, I have it in red, but this golden color, this satin golden finish, I think is very, very rare. So amazing one again.
And then
I can see there's a Formula E car over here. So this is the Rocket Venturi Formula E car. मेरे पास ये Geox Dragon वाली है,
okay.
but
You have it
it's
carded, right?
हाँ, it's
I've seen-
carded.
I've seen the
Yeah,
video,
yeah.
yeah, it's carded.
And the special thing about this one, guys, is कि इसका जो packaging आता है ना, it's shaped like that of a race driver's helmet.
Yes.
So very amazing that one as well.
खोल लिया, मैं regret कर रहा हूँ. Anyway, this is the Majorette Volkswagen T1.
Yeah.
But I think this one has the best suspension in my collection.
In your collection.
Yeah, because
Okay.
all four tires like have got individual suspension. You can see. So it's
So-
like this way,
Oh wow.
this way, and this way. So it's got
Amazing,
four tires. suspension.
amazing,
So it is like
amazing.
the best.
Yeah.
so far.
Amazing.
Okay, then this is the purple Audi R8. Again, it's a Majorette mainline.
Yeah, yeah. So इसका price around 200 आता है.
200,
Yeah.
200. And okay, then this is the Majorette 5-pack.
So you've got the Beetle, you've got which one is this?
This is again T1, pickup
T1.
So it had two T1s and three T1s and two Beetles.
Okay,
So
okay. And you get a surfboard on
Surfboard,
top.
as in there is one moving part as well, if I'm not wrong. Yeah.
हाँ, so उसका जो बेड
a bit,
होता
a
है,
bit, yeah.
हाँ, बेड होता है that is a moving part.
And this Beetle has opening bonnet. This one.
Brilliant.
Same goes for this as well.
This
only-
one as well, and this one also has like a surfboard on top, ना येलो वाला जो है.
Yes.
So ये वाली में moving part नहीं है naturally because it's a Formula E car, but you can see that these ones all come with moving parts. तो ये मेरे को एक unique चीज लगती है about Majorette. You get moving parts at a fairly affordable
For
price.
this, around 400 you get actually.
350, 400 ऐसे
400
ऐसे रेंज में आपको काफी अच्छे मिल जाते हैं.
And then this is the Porsche 911 Carrera S.
So this is from the
surfboard.
deluxe series, right?
Deluxe
ये
series, yes.
600 odd की आती है. I think इसका
Yeah,
bonnet
this is for 500.
500, okay, हाँ.
Something like
तो
that.
इसका bonnet भी खुलता
Bonnet
है
खुलता है,
and
yes.
इसका doors भी खुल जाते
Doors
हैं.
भी खुलते हैं दोनों, yes. And the tires are actually very pretty. If you can see the alloys as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Those are very, very pretty.
Very nice.
Suspension is obviously a must if it's a Majorette.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, yeah. So, and red interior, so fairly. But I was expecting some more liveries on this as well. But other than that, yeah, it's a pretty cast time.
Nice.
And
And
the last.
finally, among the highlights, the
Let me remove.
yes,
This is the Shell
exclusive Burago F1.
F1, yes. And yeah, the tires are moving as well. But body is plastic, but it's hard plastic.
Okay, it's plastic.
It's plastic, but the
Oh.
base is metal. Like other than the front wing,
Uh-huh.
the rear wing, everything is metal. Only the
Metal.
body is plastic because it's molded in an odd form. So that's
Right,
why
right,
they
right.
chose to be.
So this is
Yeah.
the 2023 car, if I'm
This
not
is a
wrong, right?
2023 car. It's a promotional item, so not driver specific.
Uh-huh.
And unlike other Buragos, this is a 1:41 ratio. You get 1:43
43.
scale. Yeah.
Right, right,
So
right.
since it's a promotional item, they chose.
Can you
it not
show
to.
the
Yes,
packaging?
yes, sure.
थोड़ा? Yeah. So आप देख सकते हो guys, this is 1:41. So over here you can see mention किया हुआ है. मेरे पास चार्ल्स लेक्लर्क की
143.
1:43 है.
So because this is a promotional item, that's why they chose it to be. And
Slightly higher,
1:41,
bigger
yes.
scale. Okay, okay. Brilliant. Let's move on to the rest of the collection, guys. ये कुछ highlights है.
Yeah, now.
Okay, so he's got these drawers, guys. तो यहाँ पे he's kept all of his uncarded cars. Mostly ये वाले shelf में मेरे को
Pickup trucks
दिख रही
And
है.
this is again exclusive to India. I think, not India actually. This is exclusive to me because I got this Mazda AutoZam.
Yeah, yeah.
This never came in India in white color. If
Yeah.
I'm not wrong. So.
So these tires you've customized, right?
No,
You mentioned.
tires are not customized.
Tires are not
The body is
customized.
customized.
Okay.
So body I've customized.
So ये वाली actually guys A या B केस में आई थी ये साल के that of course never came to India because India में J केस onwards चालू हुए थे. But he's customized this a little bit. And what have you done to that one?
Okay, yeah. So I've painted black.
Painted black,
all
okay,
over
stripe
sides,
डाल दी.
yeah. And some tail lamps as well, as you can see here.
Okay, wow.
And from top some engine details.
Mhm.
And yeah, some white dots as well to
Amazing.
highlight it. Not a lot,
And yeah, and there are a bunch more
Bunch
pickup
of
trucks
pickup
here.
trucks, yes.
So I can see that there's the Studebaker Champ.
Okay,
यहाँ पे
I'll just remove this.
yeah. So यहाँ पे ये आपकी काइडो हाउस की Datsun आ गई.
I'll remove this.
Yeah, sure. तो I have this one in the light bonus last
Yeah,
year का
this
जो
is from
pack है.
Night bonus pack only. मैंने खोल दिया था.
हाँ. But इसकी खास बात ये है ना कि काइडो हाउस की आपको जनरली हॉट
Hot Wheels में नहीं मिलती है. This is very exclusive item.
हाँ.
Very
बहुत ही
exclusive
बढ़िया
item,
है
yes.
ये. I can see the Chevy
This
C10
is
ये
Chevy
8 का
C10,
सीरीज की है.
yes.
You can see the letter E printed here.
It is very pretty. I don't know.
Yeah. Then there's this one is the Maverick. If I'm not
Yeah,
wrong,
this
the
is the
blue one.
Maverick. Yes, this is the
This is the Maverick. It's got phenomenal front detailing. बहुत ही बढ़िया इसमें फ्रंट
Yes, and
डिटेलिंग
side
है.
decals are good as well.
Amazing,
It's motor
yeah.
livery if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, motor livery for 180 rupees. Genuinely can't complain. I mean, उसके rims भी बहुत प्यारे हैं.
Yes, very true.
And moving on, there's a few more. I can see.
Oh, hold on. Let me
Let me- yeah,
Oh,
sure,
shit. Yeah. Okay. So this is again the Ford Raptor from Nightburners pack or some other pack. I'm not.
This is I think from Horsepower.
Horsepower. This is
I
Horsepower.
think so. I have this
because
pack.
I'm not. I don't know.
Yeah, you don't
correct,
remember.
yeah.
You don't collect the packaging, sure.
Yeah, so I'm not able to collect.
Okay.
So this is the Ford Raptor from 2023 pack.
Yeah.
Some pack.
Some pack. Okay.
Yeah. Then again, these are all 2024 castings only.
Castings. Yeah.
Okay, so-
Nice. So
Okay, moving on.
Moving on to the next drawer.
Okay. So this one is okay. This one.
Yeah. So these are all muscle cars, right?
Yes, these are
Mostly.
all
I mean, I see बुलीड एक थोड़ा स्टैंड आउट दिख रहा है.
this
रहने दो, उसी में रहने दो.
this
It's
one
fine.
coming out.
So I mean, you can see guys कि he's got the 8 car charger.
Okay, this
King
is an
Kuda
imposter.
है.
Let me remove the imposter first.
Yeah, so this is the bullied for
It
yeah.
was an imposter, anyways.
Everything else is muscle cars. ये आपकी
Muscle cars,
Mercury Cougar Eliminator है.
yes.
This is the Hero Hata Merc.
This is the horsepower Dodge Charger.
Yeah. So from the same pack. वो जो
Same pack.
हाँ.
Yes. And I have quite a lot of Dodge. So one,
Yeah.
two. Other नीचे है.
Yeah, और नीचे है तो ये Dodge Dart हो गई आपकी, Camaro हो गई. This is a
Camaro is
Pontiac.
custom by the way. Camaro is custom.
Camaro is custom.
Customized as well. Again, custom को भी मैंने custom
Custom को भी customize कर दिया है.
So ऊपर से I've added some bonnet details
हाँ,
and hood and both. So and some tails as well.
Oh wow.
So that's that. Yeah, it looks cool. I guess.
Nice. And वही है और भी है. There's a Pontiac Firebird.
Firebird.
Both the colors of the
Chevelle,
Chevelle that
yes.
came this year.
And this is the RX-7
RX-7. Okay.
and Nissan 180 NSX. If I'm not wrong. If you want.
This one ना हाँ.
This
180
one-
SX.
180 SX,
180
SX,
SX.
SX,
हाँ,
yes.
180 SX.
Okay.
So ये आपकी M के इसके I think Super
Yeah,
Pleasure
this is
and
हाँ.
हाँ, but this is of course a normal
वो
version.
STH नहीं मिलता.
STH हाँ.
Solve किया था सर?
Yeah, sure.
Then
Moving on to the next one.
is okay. So what I've got here is Baja Battalion.
So this
This
is
is
Super Rig, right? ये जो
this
last
is
year.
super rig, and the best part is I think it goes like this.
Oh wow.
I think around it bends. quite a lot.
Bends.
And
Okay.
it came along with this one,
Uh-huh.
an off-road dummy or not Dune races.
Dune buggy kind
Dune
of
buggy
car.
type of thing.
Okay.
So I'll just keep in this.
And I can see that you've uncarted the black edition as well, जो
Yes,
Majorette
yes,
का
yes,
आता है.
yes.
So there's the Charger. वो पीछे
Yeah,
आपकी
I'll bring
Yeah.
that. So this is the Challenger. This is Challenger actually.
Challenger. Sorry, yeah, Challenger है.
And the best part of it, this is that this has got blue glass.
Blue glass, yeah,
right?
tinted blue glass.
Tinted headlights as well.
Mm-hmm.
Painted tail lights, unfortunately, but
Yeah.
okay, what else next? And again, opening this one,
Yeah, opening doors.
opening doors, and suspension is there.
Yeah, suspension. बस ये एक है कि suspension की वजह से थोड़ा fender और wheel के बीच में gap आ जाता है.
but
तो
like,
but acceptable, I think compromise for that price, 350.
if you
or
see,
whatever.
if you keep it in hand, right, you can clearly see the gap.
Yeah.
But the moment you keep it on ground, right, the gap kind of reduces.
Yeah.
Because there is some pressure acting against the ground.
Huh.
So even if you hold a car, like this is actually close to real version. So when you tow a car, right,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
is some mandatory gap between the fender and the tire.
Tire,
So I
right.
think the detailing is quite good. I'm not sure why don't people notice it. The
Yeah.
gaps is mandatory. Even the panel gaps, right? For example, you can see there are panel gaps in
रहते
real
हैं.
cars as well,
हाँ,
right?
रहते
And
हैं.
these are 164. Like how much more can you focus?
Yeah.
If you go way too deep, then this car is going to definitely cost more than 3 grand. One car, so
Yeah.
better to go that. And this is the AMG GTR, by the way.
Yeah, this is the AMG GTR.
But
I have this
spoiler
entire
is-
5-pack carded.
The spoiler is plastic, although, so that
Okay.
was a bit of disappointment for me.
Okay. And I can see कि
Yeah, one
आपकी
more.
ये
This
GTR
is
R35.
R35 again, and this is in the matte black finish with embossed headlights and yeah.
So ये आपकी pop culture में भी जो काफी popular थी Gran Turismo वाली
Okay,
कार.
I'll remove that as well.
Yeah, sure. You
Okay,
can show like a live
yeah,
comparison
I'll show
between
comparison
that and
between
this one.
Okay, excellent. I don't have the full base version, so anyway, so
हाँ.
okay, yeah.
हाँ, so you can see guys कि ये आपकी जो Hot Wheels Premium वाली है right में, that is the Pop Culture R35 and left की तरफ you've got the Majorette. So between the two, I mean, which one do you prefer, Parth? मतलब
Acha, for me, okay,
हाँ.
weight wise, Hot Wheels is supreme
Okay.
because this is metal on metal
हाँ.
and this is metal on plastic, right?
Okay.
But now if you compare the quality, right, because even if the paint quality is on Hot Wheels is slight better, but the color and everything on Majorette
Matte
is,
black, हाँ.
it's it's just too much.
And-
Plus the hood scoops and everything which you get, right? When you
Yeah,
compare,
yeah.
this is quite visible. For me, Majorette is supreme.
Okay.
Somehow, because suspension and everything, if I'm getting, so I'll prefer
and
this one.
considering almost half price की मतलब ये आपको 1600 का 5-pack था, so around 300 320 आपका
400, yeah.
per piece हो गया.
And this is readily available, so I think
Yeah,
it was.
अभी तो नहीं मिलता, अभी तो ढूंढ के भी ये 5-pack नहीं मिलता.
yes.
एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स आपके पास वो R35 हॉट व्हील्स वाली है. बट मजे की बात ये है कि ऑलमोस्ट डबल कॉस्ट करके भी आपको लिवरी मिल जाती है, बट यू डोंट गेट सस्पेंशन.
Suspension nahi.
हाँ, so एक ये
and plus the rims if you compare, right, on both of these,
yeah.
this seem quite basic.
Yeah.
right? And this still, you know,
थोड़ी अच्छा, थोड़ा racing type का
There's
लगता है.
opening parts and everything. So, and you know, okay, hold on. There's one more detail which I have missed out. Can you see a cage in here?
Yeah, there's a roll cage
And
in here.
plus, this is a single seater.
Yeah.
So this is
Proper race
solely
car.
meant for racing.
हाँ,
Whereas
proper race car.
this one was derived from the Gran Turismo movie,
yeah.
right? And nothing is visible from the glass actually, if you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
see,
yeah.
right? So even if there is detailing, I have to actually remove the rivets and everything and then
To just be
check.
able to see.
Yeah.
हाँ,
So
हाँ.
this was okay. Okay, I got both of them. So that's
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
And then the final drawer over
the
here.
drawer is, this is the
Dairy delivery from the pop culture set.
Yes, and this is the Brabus G-Wagon.
So again
with
from the
B
5
written.
pack.
Yes, this
Yeah,
is
yeah.
the B written. And this one has a opening hood as
Hood,
well.
yeah,
from that.
opening bonnet है उसका.
So, खुल रहा है इतना ही खुलेगा जान I have to lubricate it right now.
Yeah.
Okay, and the tires are good. So black
Right,
and
हाँ,
red,
metallic
yes.
rims है उसके. बहुत ही प्यारे.
Brabus detailing is there man.
Yeah, yeah.
And there is again Brabus
Brabus,
detailing on
yeah.
that tire as
Tire,
well.
spare tire पे
tire as
detailing
well.
की गई है.
Then yeah,
And
okay.
थोड़ा let's move थोड़ा quickly. Now I can see again there's a few VWs there. Again ये
so
majority है.
ये majority है. Okay, hold on. This one has a special opening part, I think. Yeah.
Oh.
अरे यार. Yeah, okay, yeah. So this one opens like this.
Mm-hmm.
And I think this one also opens. Okay, no, better not to force it. Okay.
Okay. So
this one
the
opens.
rear almost
Yeah,
डिक्की
this one
उसकी
also.
खुल जाती
Yeah,
है.
डिक्की खुल जाती है. ये भी खुलता है, but अभी खुल नहीं रहा है.
खुल नहीं रहा है. ठीक है,
So
ठीक है.
and luggage.
No problem.
Livery is pretty. Yeah.
Livery is very
Very
nice.
pretty. Yeah.
क्या लिखा है उस पे? Chillin' camper.
Chillin' camper, yeah.
Very
This
pretty.
one is there.
Then I can see a few more of
Again,
the
one more.
yeah one
same,
more.
same one.
Same one but different
different
color.
livery and color. Yeah.
Again majorette.
Majorette, yes.
And यहाँ पे आपकी
Ford Thunderbird Pro.
Ford Thunderbird from the Ultra Hot series,
series,
Card
yes.
Art Premium जो ये साल आई थी.
This is metal on metal.
Metal on metal and even the Dodge I can see Dodge.
I have two Dodge. Yeah, as I said, I have
Yeah,
a lot of Dodges.
So ये left वाली आपकी black
This is,
edition
yes,
Charger
Charger
है.
है, yes.
So this is from a limited edition,
Yes,
right?
yes, and rubber tires, suspension again same.
हाँ, Majorette का जो
Majorette,
trademark
yes,
है.
trademark 67 वाला है, and you get a Charger embossment here as well. If you
Wow,
see. So
wow.
it's
Let me
quite
try
a,
and
yeah.
let me try and
If
get
you
in
can
the
zoom
camera. Yeah. Yeah,
I think
you
it's
can see.
fine.
Yeah,
I can see it.
very nice, very nice.
And plus this front bumper as well, so it's plastic. This one.
Plastic, हाँ.
But yeah, the detailing is nice. So it's in a contrasty color. I would say. So, yeah, it's nice.
And of course there's the
Dodge 330.
Dodge 330. इसका ओपनिंग
Quite
bonnet है
heavy,
and
yeah.
metal on metal है.
Metal
So
on metal, yes.
सबसे hyped कार जो आपकी Ultra Watts की थी
This
because
one.
of that moving part. सस्ती RLC बोलते हैं Ultra
Although,
Watts को.
if you see, right, both of these have the same moving parts. If you
Yeah,
can focus.
yeah.
But the panel gaps.
Yeah.
Right, so now we realize what kind of work, phenomenal work Majorette
does.
does for reducing the panel gap.
Yeah.
So yeah, so now my respect for Majorette is just going up and up.
Going up, yeah. And almost same price के ही है मतलब वही कि
Yeah, almost you can see.
40-50 रुपए का फर्क है.
almost,
बाकी
yes.
कुछ नहीं है. Okay.
Okay, so
now we'll come to
the other card unguarded
yes
collection.
other uncarded collection. तो थोड़ा we'll just speed through this.
Yes.
So
Okay,
सबसे पहले we
yes,
have
okay, so this is a fantasy.
Fantasy.
ये तो MK's का Honda Civic है.
Honda Civic है. I can see the Batmobile Arkham Knight वाली है ये. J केस में आई थी black color की.
ये अपना MK's की वापस Porsche N या फिर MK's की मेरे ख्याल से.
हाँ
Porsche
ये
Carrera.
Porsche 904 Carrera. हाँ.
GTS Honda Prelude.
Prelude. This is from the Nightburners pack again last
yes.
year.
This is Cadillac Hypercar again. The Hot Wheels
Yeah.
version of the Hypercar.
Yeah.
The golden Batmobile.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Then
if you want to remove it, you can remove it.
No, it's fine.
And the Majorette Porsche.
Porsche हाँ. This is the 918.
918 Spider.
So from the Holy Trinity ये 918 आपके पास है.
The alloys are quite disappointing though for me. So
But I mean at 200 though 200.
No, the basic alloys they could have provided.
I guess हाँ okay ठीक है वो मतलब fair take.
This model is very pretty. I actually like this more over the
Bumblebee that came.
yes.
हाँ. So ये आपकी last year I think 5 pack जो था design lab वाला उसकी है.
Yes.
Okay.
Then this is a K&N
Jeep.
इसमें tail lights मैंने डाला है.
Okay, so you've custom this as
Custom
well.
yeah, and थोड़ा black stripes यहाँ वहाँ डाला है.
Okay, wow.
And this is
Utopia. Phenomenal detailing. I mean for
tails. I have added tail as
oh,
well.
you added the tail lights.
Yeah, because उसमें नहीं था.
हाँ tail lights add किए हैं guys. So I mean overall इसकी वैसे भी काफी अच्छी detailing थी. Let me try and focus here. इसकी detailing यूं भी काफी अच्छी थी, but adding that rear sort of tail lamps.
Yeah, it is okay, and I've added this black
एक
woods के नीचे. Yes,
हाँ,
okay.
हाँ.
So ये I don't know what to call this, but yeah, I've colored this one, this whole patch,
Yeah.
right? And top as well.
So the vents, the air vents
have
you've
that
हाँ.
as well.
Okay.
So,
And
the
okay, next
second
we have
pack is okay. So
Speedtail, again up from the Nightburner set.
Yes.
Very
Then
pretty car.
Porsche again from the J case.
Magnus Walker है. This is a K case. I think
case.
K and L में आई थी.
Okay. This is the Ford GT Majorette.
Majorette again. Majorette mainline 200 वाली जो आती है.
Yes. Best part is I think this one is. अच्छा नहीं, that is painted tail lights.
Painted tail lights.
With the embossed exhaust.
Yeah, but even at 200 you get plastic inserts for the headlamps.
Very nice man. Plus the mirror detailing, no, the finish.
हाँ, rear view mirrors आपको generally main lines Hot Wheels में नहीं देखने मिलते.
Very pretty यार.
आपको Ford का logo भी देखने मिल जाएगा.
Yeah, and it is so well placed, right? It is not off-centered. It is not off-centered at all.
Very well placed.
Then this
And मतलब then you've got the Chiron, Cerato.
Chiron, yeah.
Yeah. Detailing बहुत लोगों को इसकी disappointing लगी.
This is 149 वाला पिछले साल वाला Batmobile.
पिछले साल का animated Batmobile है. So you're a Batman fan, you would say?
Yes, I would say like only Batmobile fan rather. Other than Batmobiles, I don't collect anything. So
Okay.
Batpods and everything is not.
हाँ. Okay, तो Bat और वो Joker.
Yeah. No, I don't collect that.
Okay.
So,
ठीक है. Then we've
this is a
got Corvette, Greenwood Corvette जो आपकी JKS में आई
This
थी.
is quite a nice car. Plastic headlights as well.
हाँ.
Why people not buying? I don't know. Oh yeah, this
It's
is
not a hyper car ना, तो थोड़ा वो hype
exactly.
ये
Now
है.
if you this year, right?
हाँ.
This year, Walmart has released a Kroger exclusive Mazda RX-7 in the same color.
हाँ.
This is not the same one. This is actually a white Mazda RX-7.
So ये JKS में जो आई थी आपने
Yes,
इसको
I have customized it totally.
And what did you use? You used a
I
CD
used
marker.
I used a CD marker, Mota wala. I added a layer on top of it. I
Okay.
rested it for 5 days, and then I removed it with acetone.
Okay.
And then this color is there. So not exactly grayish, but yeah, you get
पर्पलिश एक ह्यू है इस पे. हाँ.
Again,
Then ये
Solus
आपकी
GT.
मियाटा है.
Solus GT.
Mad Mike है. Solus GT है.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
So this
Now
we
next.
are done. Next डब्बा.
Next डब्बा.
tuning.
बहुत है इस.
Okay, this is the Super Cup.
सुपर कप ये लास्ट ईयर आई थी
Roger
आपकी. रॉजर वेरी रिकॉग्नाइजेबल फैंटेसी
Yes,
कास्टिंग.
it is very pretty.
Yeah.
Grumobile.
Corvette.
King Kura.
C6.
I don't remember the
C6
model
I think. This
also.
is I think the C6.
No, this is the ZR.
हाँ, sorry. ZR, हाँ, okay.
The C6 was yellow color.
Yellow, हाँ. C6 ये.
This is the 5-pack one.
Oh, okay. हाँ.
The DeLorean. This is my second electric car, and only 2 electric cars I have. 2 or 3 electric cars I have in my collection.
So okay, there's the Camaro as well. Barbie Corvette है. There's the
Batman
Batman Robin Batmobile. Okay, so you collect Batmobiles वो भी है. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Okay, then this is this side itself. And again the Porsche.
Porsche, yeah. So
905.
रेड वाली अपन ने देख ली.
White है.
मतलब सिल्वर है.
Transit van.
Transit van.
This is R30. This is Hakosuka.
Hakosuka. So 2000 GTX आपकी
Yes,
Liberty Walk वाली आई थी.
थोड़ा टेल डाला है उसमें, तो कुछ किया नहीं मैंने.
Okay.
थोड़ा
Let
blank
me
है.
just try and focus.
थोड़ा सा टेल डाला है, थोड़ा सा एकदम. I was planning to
बाकी
add more.
अदरवाइज ये कास्टिंग अच्छी डिटेल्ड है. बस
हाँ,
रियर में
rear
थोड़ा
में
अगर
थोड़ा हाँ, और ऊपर
हाँ.
I'm planning to add more so.
नाइस. तो हुड पे भी आप थोड़ा कस्टमाइजेशन करेंगे.
This
दिस
is-
द Chevy 57 Chevy
Yes.
है. Acura NSX ये आपकी व्हाइट कलर की आई है अभी Q केस में.
This is the 5-pack Audi.
Audi, this is from the same black edition 5-pack, right?
Yes,
Majorette वाला
yes,
जो है.
yes, yes.
Then आपकी Viper आ गई,
Yes.
and again you've got another Batmobile.
And this is custom again. So if you
So
can
the
see.
Viper is custom again, so you can
So
see the
I
grill.
added,
Grill पे
black,
painted detail
yes,
डाले हैं.
and tail lamps, and ये थोड़ा मेरे को disappointing लग रहा है, इसके ऊपर मैं भी नंबर प्लेट डाल दूंगा. But ठीक है,
Okay,
मतलब
okay.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
ठीक है.
Quite a lot of Dodge and you can see Batmobiles.
Yeah,
Not
Dodge
bad.
and Batmobile are sort of
This
favorites.
one was this released in India? I don't remember.
I mean इसका एक अलग कलर आया था. If
Yeah,
I'm not
purple
wrong.
color.
Purple color.
This
हाँ.
one again because I imported this one. I got this
हाँ,
one
हाँ,
from
हाँ.
Germany.
Okay.
And all side livery plus plastic embossed headlights.
So Germany में approx आपको idea इसका cost
1
कितना
euro.
पड़ा
1
था?
euro. 1 euro. 1 euro.
So 1 euro. So
1
that
euro,
is
yes.
approximately
And
100.
actually, my dad said this was quite expensive because there were some other places where he was getting at 0.7 euros.
Oh, but still like 105 rupees almost एक euro
Less than
का.
90 rupees.
अभी तो रेट ऑलमोस्ट बढ़ गया
नहीं, तभी चल रहे थे.
तब चल रहे थे. ओके
तब
ओके
तो
ओके.
सस्ता था.
बट 90 मतलब लाइक हाफ प्राइस हो
Yeah,
गया
half,
बेसिकली.
yeah.
आज तो 180 के आते हैं आपके मेन लाइन, तो हाफ
Then
प्राइस
this is
आपका
the
ये
brick
है.
and mortar. Again, this is an imported one.
हाँ.
brick and
बट ये
mortar.
आई थिंक मेरे पास
Same color में?
सेम कलर में नहीं, मेरे पास ये ग्रीन एंड येलो में आई थी लास्ट ईयर
हाँ,
में.
because this is not in India.
हाँ, this is not in
वाला
India,
है.
right. So you've got a bunch of imported
Yes.
stuff. Your dad has been supportive of your hobby
हाँ,
basically.
basically, because-
Very nice.
And Deora.
Deora है, Deora 3, head
head
gasket.
gasket है, तो ठीक है.
ये आपकी
This is a-
Shelby लग रही है.
Actually Shelby Cobra है.
This is not a Hot
Indian
Wheels
Shelby
or
Cobra, but the quality of this paint is on superior. But
Okay.
Yeah, I
Than
think
Hot
this one
Wheels.
is way better than Hot Wheels. People might shout at me, they might curse me, but this is the best Shelby Cobra which I've ever seen.
Even the rolling metal one, उसके आगे भी आप बोलोगे कि ये better
Rolling metal वाला जो भी ग्रे कलर का है.
हाँ,
Yes,
silver,
yes,
silver.
yes, yes.
This is still better, you would say.
Any day.
And how much did this cost you?
120 rupees.
120
I
rupees.
think that's why, because see the tires and everything. I agree that they're not in proportion exactly.
हाँ,
right?
हाँ.
But again, in 120 rupees for doing such a phenomenal job, plus the chrome base is so pretty, right? So yeah, it's damn nice man.
And आपने अनकार्ड करके रखा है फिर भी क्रोम फेड नहीं
Fade
हुआ
नहीं हुआ है, which is
which
actually quite astonishing for me as well.
Yeah.
And again, I've got this Zamaki Rockin' Railer, I would say. I don't collect Zamax as such, so this is my first one. Or this is a grey.
This is a grey
not
paint.
exactly
Zamax तो आपका bare metal हो गया.
खराब गाड़ी सारी वही है. So yeah, this is got the rolling engine. So
Okay.
and yeah, this one is the coupe clip, the last one, uncarded.
Oh, so you didn't use it?
I have not used it. I have seen people use it.
I have. So I've been using it for a year. मेरी तो बर्बाद हो चुकी है.
हाँ, इसलिए ये मैंने यूज कर रहा.
Uncarded रख रहे हो पर यूज नहीं कर रहे हो भाई, मतलब क्या ही सही है.
Okay.
Did you get the Porsche keychain by any
No,
chance?
I didn't get it because I already had this one. So I was like, कि छोड़ो भी, क्या पैसा क्यों बर्बाद कर रहे हो?
400 गाड़ियाँ 8 महीने में लेके फिर बोल रहे हो पैसा क्यों बर्बाद करना है. सही है. So guys, here he has stored his carded collection. आप देख सकते हैं कि ये प्लास्टिक के बॉक्स में है.
And it has wheels also. by the
And
way.
it has wheels also.
So it rolls the same as my.
And you got this from where?
DMart. I got this from DMart at 500 rupees. And this is a 32-liter box.
हाँ.
You can get a smaller version also, a 6-liter one, for
Okay.
around 300 rupees or something.
And approximately इसमें कितनी cars आ जाएंगी by like your
right
estimate?
now, there are a couple of 5 packs.
Uh-huh.
And carded, whole P case is carded in here.
Okay.
So you लगा लो अभी. Plus
मतलब
some treasure hunts and everything. So
करीब 200 गाड़ियाँ तो इसमें आराम से
आराम से पड़
आएंगी.
जाएंगे.
आराम
Yes,
से.
आराम से. If you stack it very well.
हाँ.
And you don't
200.
remove it, so yeah.
Okay,
don't
okay.
return for it.
Very nice.
Yes. So
let's
lock is
remove.
also nice. So
And here you can see a couple highlights. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो थोड़ी treasure hunt से.
treasure hunt, Super Cup custom from JK's.
तो ये JK's की treasure hunt हो गई आपकी.
And this is the KK's Bone Shaker.
Bone Shaker ये भी आपकी treasure hunt ही है.
And this is the peak. No,
N-Case DeLorean. ये आपकी rolling metal series की है.
Rolling Metal series की, yes.
And you can see that here is the sort of TH logo. पता नहीं कितना दिख रहा है.
अरे इसमें दिखा दो.
इसमें दिखा देता हूँ मैं. ये आपके हाँ इसमें बहुत clearly दिख रहा है. So here you can see the flame logo as well.
Yes.
And I can see this very interesting one. This is a
Neon speeder, McLaren F1 GTR.
F1 GTR. Wow.
And this one glows in the dark, by the way.
हाँ वो कुछ black light वगैरह इसका लगा के लोग
neon, so
YouTube पे डालते हैं.
This one, this paint and the top one and this one, and the whole one, this glows. Plus you get detailings on all 4
All sides. तो ये कार्ड आर्ट प्रीमियम की आजकल खासियत है कि all side आपको टेम्पो डिटेलिंग मिल जाती है.
Then
And ये आपको कितने की पड़ी थी? How much did this cost you?
700 rupees, and this is an imported one.
Okay, so you can see that Japanese उस पे कुछ बना हुआ है. Can you show the back? Japanese आप देख सकते हो कि उस पे कुछ लिखा हुआ है. So this is an imported card. That's why it costs double what it would if it had officially come to India.
Not exactly double, but हाँ ठीक है.
Almost मतलब.
But Hot Wheels does not release good cars in India, so.
Good premiums in
Good
India.
premiums actually.
Premium and semi premium.
Mainlines are there.
थोड़ा वो complaint है लोगों का.
ठीक है.
And ये आपके कुछ एक मिनट पकड़.
Yeah, sure.
ये आपके सीरीज के सारे कार्स बनाए हुए हैं.
Yes.
And here I see that there's a Tomica also.
This is a Tomica, Lamborghini Aventador SVJ.
Aventador SVJ.
This has got a suspension as well.
So you can remove it from the box. Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Remove it from the box. And Tomica की ऐसे एक पन्नी में दे देते हैं बेसिकली प्लास्टिक की.
This is a good car. This is probably one of the best Tomica mainlines which I've got.
Okay.
Right, and this has got a suspension as well again.
Okay.
And embossed headlights. Painted taillights.
Painted taillights.
Yeah. And yeah, paint is decent, but
Spoiler इसका प्लास्टिक का है मेटल का है राइट?
metal.
मेटल का
Yes,
है.
it's metal.
ओके. व्हील्स थोड़े मेरे को टोमिका के
Wheels-
डिसअपॉइंटिंग लगते हैं. मतलब मेन लाइंस स्पेशली
yes.
प्रीमियम्स के फिर भी ठीक है. But main lines are a little disappointing.
Wheels have been very disappointing.
Very, very disappointing.
One more is
So do you plan on wheel swapping that? The Tomica?
yeah, I do, but I have to get new wheels first. But
Okay.
anyways, Muscle
Okay, Muscle and Bone. So ये promotional car हो गई आपकी. Very
rare one.
hard to get by and बहुत सारे बदमाश shopkeepers ये retail पे ही बेच रहे हैं at 180 rather than giving it for free.
Other than that, I think I've got a couple of P1s as well. This I've got in
This is the
blue as well.
wine red P1. I think I saw the blue
Yeah,
one
I've got,
somewhere.
yeah, wait, hold on. So
आराम से.
अरे कोई
So I see the blue one as well. तो ये दोनों आपकी ये साली आई है. That blue one is from the J case.
P case and this is the P case.
Okay, and which color would you prefer?
Oh my goodness. Okay, you're asking me quite a lot of controversial questions, but I would say this one is more appealing. You know,
The wine red. Okay,
yeah, it is
okay.
more appealing.
I personally prefer the blue.
Okay.
तो
Had this been in a bit of darker tone, I would have
gone for
yeah,
that.
gone for that as well. But
हाँ.
the light one is still okay.
ठीक है. नहीं मेरा ये रीजनिंग है क्योंकि वो वाइन रेड वाले में ना डिटेलिंग रियर की टेल लाइट की कॉन्ट्रास्ट उतना नहीं है. मतलब छुप सी जाती
yeah,
है.
even I thought that, but you know, it is different. If you see
हाँ,
the
हाँ.
tail,
Yeah.
this is a darker tone and the tail is a lighter tone, so it does pop out.
It does pop out but not as much as the blue one in my opinion.
Yeah.
ब्लू वाले का
Difference तो
कॉन्ट्रास्ट
दिख रहा है,
हाँ बहुत
difference तो दिख रहा है,
एविडेंट
intense,
कॉन्ट्रास्ट है. आप देख
difference तो दिख
सकते हो.
रहा है. डिफरेंस तो है,
डिफरेंस डेफिनेटली,
बट दूर से रेड इज सुपीरियर मैन, वाइन रेड इज सुपीरियर.
got it.
And I've got couple of two Jescos as well. I've got.
So you got the
this one and the violet one.
हाँ,
Purple one rather.
पर्पल. तो पर्पल वाली आपकी केस में आई थी. दिस इज
वो ढूंढना
फ्रॉम
पड़ेगा.
नहीं रहने दो, कोई नहीं.
This
I think everyone got the idea.
These are exotics one.
Oh, you got the Supra as well. Supra के पीछे तो लोग दीवाने हो चुके हैं.
Trofeo, Lambo. So I think the good cars are called carded.
Carded, yeah. So you're planning to uncard them soon?
The moment I get my space and showcase done, so.
Okay.
And my wait, hold on. I will show you something else. I will wait. Because quite a lot of things. This is the brother of the other Mercury, anyways.
तो जो aquamarine कलर की आती थी, ये उसका green कलर है.
And this
carded Maverick. Okay, so you have it uncarded and carded.
Carded, yeah, both.
Okay.
This is the Ford Maverick from last year, mainline.
Oh, yeah.
So this one.
हाँ,
is
इसके rims अलग दिख रहे हैं, right?
Then okay, no, this one is Mazda.
New project 7 project
I'm
new
not
है.
able to find it for some reason. Okay, yeah, found it. This is the 52 Corvette.
Oh wow! So ये भी आपकी last year आई थी,
Last
then
year
and now
आई थी,
series
yes,
की है.
yes,
Do you
yes.
have the grey C6 that went with the now? जो ये इसका then है.
अभी it's last year itself.
Last year itself है.
नहीं, वो नहीं
है क्या?
ये मुझे मुश्किल से.
I have the grey C6
है.
yeah.
यार, I must have missed out on that.
Yeah.
कितना cars था? Wait, थोड़ा.
बहुत.
This is again the Viper. So quite a lot of Dodge in my collection.
So tell me one thing. I want to come back to this Corvette. You said that you started collecting 8 months ago.
Yeah.
Then how did you manage to get your hands on a 2023
I've
casting?
got some contacts which had older main lines, luckily. And
तो ये peg hunting पे मिल गया
peg
basically.
hunting में basically मिल गया, yes.
तो guys, that's your message to sort of go out and hunt. हो सकता है आपको कुछ rare पुराने यार वाली भी
And it's
castings
always
मिल
the
जाए.
small shops. It's always
the small shops.
Yes.
Families वगैरह में तो आजकल आपको ज़्यादातर फैंटेसी ही देखने मिलेंगी, बिकॉज आते ही लोग उड़ा के ले जाते हैं जो डिमांडेड कार्स होती हैं. बट आई थिंक वी गेट द आइडिया. सो
which I have to show.
there's one more that you have to
There's one
show.
more which I'm not able to find it actually. Okay,
Which
yeah,
is
found
it?
found
Which is it?
yeah.
Which is it?
This is the Mazda RX-7 again from last year.
Savannah.
RX-7.
So very very pretty casting guys. ये भी आप देख सकते
This
हो.
is an Indian card itself. So
Yeah. Again
149
for
149 MRP in case.
149 is what you got it for. ये साल तो 179 मतलब 20% आपका दाम भागा है.
नहीं ये साल 7 रिलीज नहीं हुआ.
नहीं मतलब इन जनरल रिलायंस का जो
yeah,
प्राइस हाइक हुआ है 30 रुपीज इज अ वेरी बिग प्राइस हाइक इन 1 ईयर. एंड अभी तो रूमर्स चल रहे हैं कि नेक्स्ट ईयर से मे बी 200 के भी आसपास आपका
Yes, true.
प्राइस हो सकता है. सो लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच व्हाट हैपेंस.
और है क्या मेरे पास? I'm just looking for that one.
व्हिच वन?
अच्छा yeah, the Mild Mike.
ये आपकी ब्लू कलर की जो इस साल आई थी. दिस इज द ओरिजिनल कलर.
I have the blue color as well.
आई थिंक वी सॉ दैट इन
Yeah,
द
it was
ड्रॉअर.
there, yeah.
सो दिस वन इज द ओरिजिनल कलर. ये भी आपकी लास्ट ईयर की कास्टिंग है.
Casting है, yes.
वेरी वेरी प्रिटी कास्टिंग. आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल डोंट कंसीडर इट टू बी लाइक अ रियल कार. बहुत आइकॉनिक कार है गाइस. आप देख सकते हो YouTube पे जाके.
Yeah, and that's about it I think.
That's about it. Okay. So और एक छोटा सा बॉक्स है गाइस. ये शू बॉक्स में और कुछ अनकार्डेड कार्स रखी हुई हैं. आई कैन सी अ फ्यू मॉन्स्टर ट्रक्स. ये मेजरएट की मॉन्स्टर ट्रक हो गई. देयर आर अ फ्यू फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर. ये आपकी मैड स्प्लैश हो गई पिछले साल की. एक और कलर शिफ्टर है स्कॉर्पियो. एंड अ बंच मोर फैंटेसीज. ये भी आपकी एक मेजरएट की ही.
नहीं this is Hot Wheels.
ओके दिस इज हॉट व्हील्स. राइट दिस इज मेजरएट.
That is what suspension as well.
सस्पेंशन. हाँ. सो यू कैन सी कि ये ऐसे प्रेस होता है. हाउ मच डिड दैट वन कॉस्ट यू? वो जो फ्री दैट गिफ्टेड यू. ओके
I think the price is around 500 rupees.
500. Okay.
But same as on Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels was 450 लास्ट ईयर. ये साल मैंने मॉन्स्टर ट्रक्स का न्यू स्टॉक प्राइस नहीं देखा.
I have seen quite a lot of.
Okay, so 500 is approx the price. Okay, so same but you get suspension in major. Okay, and these are all the cards. तो जो भी पार्थ ने अनकार्ड किया है, all the cards are saved, and he plans to sort of cut it out and put it in like acrylic display boxes. एक छोटा पोस्टर जैसे हो जाता है वो कार्ड आर्ट यूज करके. So
गिफ्ट तो दिखाओ. अरे गिफ्ट तो.
and these two Parth is very graciously gifting me.
Take it man. अरे mint. These are
So
mint
yeah.
condition by the way.
So both are like kind of off-road ऐसे cars हो गए.
Since I'm into off-road cars as well, so.
Right, so this is the bone shaker. It's got very nice chunky tires ऐसे. बाहा bone shaker है ये.
This one is.
This is also kind of
Sand
like.
blaster I think.
हाँ.
No, this is a Blade Raider. This is a
Blade Raider. So this is also kind of like a
Off-road
dune buggy kind of car है ये. But yeah, it's got off-roading tires ऐसे जो brown color के आपके रहते हैं.
Yes, so-
Very pretty. So thank you so
Take
much.
it away man. ले जाओ.
Thank you so much. So what are your closing thoughts for some of the new collectors out there, Parth? I mean, आपका भी एक साल के अंदर ही हुआ है collect करते
A
करते.
lot actually.
So yeah.
Yeah, regarding that, I would say there are other brands beyond Hot Wheels as well. So
Okay.
mainlines is not the only thing which I have to focus on. I agree that stacking up these many cars because I'm enjoying that, right? Stacking up these many cars. But at the same time, when I look, when I uncard one, and I see the same in other brand, like for example the Cadillac Hypercar which I had in Hot Wheels, and the same which I have in Mini GT.
Right.
The difference is
Night
beyond
and day.
explanation.
Night and day. हाँ.
And plus, better than investing so much money in just Hot Wheels. Get ahead, the
थोड़ा
world is wide.
diversify कर लो, हाँ.
The world is wide. broaden your perspective, I would say. So yeah, there are this major writers, Matchbox, you know, don't
Mini
just,
GT hai.
don't just stick on
हाँ,
Hot
हाँ,
Wheels. Plus main lines and all, like, you know, it is now it's about time that, you know, maybe I move on as well. So yeah, this was my first love, I would say, but yeah, now
Right.
it's about time. I look at better things.
थोड़ा perspective shift हो रहा है, थोड़ा
yes, exactly.
premium brands की तरफ
lastly, I would
gravitating.
say the liveries are all right. So on Hot Wheels, yeah, the liveries are good, but not exceptional. When you see other brands, right, for example, Inno 64
Yeah.
or Para 64 or any other brand, the liveries are phenomenal. Right?
You're paying for the livery, मतलब महंगी आती है, no doubt.
Livery and the attention to detail as well. So when you why are you buying the 164 anyways? Like, you're
Yeah.
not just buying to play, right?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, you want to even look at it, embrace it.
हाँ, हाँ.
Yeah, that's why. So look
Okay.
beyond Hot Wheels. That's everything. That's all I have.
Brilliant.
Chalo.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम गाइस। ये था पार्थ का कलेक्शन टूर। आई होप यू एंजॉयड इट। कुछ आपको सीखने मिला एज अ न्यू कलेक्टर, बीइंग दैट पार्थ इज अ न्यू कलेक्टर हिमसेल्फ।
Yeah, and
So-
for customization, do contact me.
Yes.
I will be available.
Yes, and do like, share and subscribe guys. Thank you so much for watching.